Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on TikTok. First of all, of course, you'll need to download the TikTok application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do just go and sign in or create your account on TikTok. Let's say you already have an account. Just go and log in into your account. Then, let's just go straight to TikTok. After that, if you want to delete your account, you should follow the simple steps. It's simply by clicking at your profile. Then look at the top right corner. There is 3 lines there. All you need to do, just click on them. Then all you need to do, click on settings and privacy. After doing that, all you need to do, just go and look for manage account. For me, it's the first one here. Just click on it. As you can see, if you look down there, at account control sections, we have disactive or delete account. All we need to do, just click on it. Then they will ask you, why are you leaving TikTok? If you want to tell them why, you can just choose whatever you want and click on continue. If you don't want to do that, just click on skip and delete your account. So that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.